continues, man. Oh, my brother gotta get his car out of here. What is Let's see different ways, right? A sheen. Oh, they did clear the street. The plow did go through and give a little clearance to the street, eh? It's like the evening flex. This is a good time to shovel now because the snow's still like it done. It done fall now. So at least what you're gonna get is you're gonna get let me try something better. You don't need that shovel hard. Not even the top and car covered up with snow. Just have to go shovel the sidewalk too, eh? Might go there and they'll look at shoveling later. Depending on what Devon do, we go out and do the rest of it. So he's trying to, he's probably got his car that he's trying to get out. It's not freezing, it's just cool, like a cool cold. Like the other, I'm coming nearly dead. Wow, but then you know put it back on the street. When am I to put the snow back on the street? Kind of fair look a path, but let's see what I'm gonna do now. Ooh, ooh. And then I have to cut through enough to create the sidewalk. Wow, it's almost there. Just trying to get it to. Oh, I was wondering.
No, because this is one of the few times I'll have to use the remote start to pull it off out of the snowbank.
Oh, I see. So, because it's a snowbank.
Yeah, something in the site.
Oh, right.
Actually, first time it actually comes in, I'm going to use it in anger for real. Like, okay. But, there's some salt where you are, right?
Yeah. I was watching this guy and thinking, he shouldn't be like blowing the snow into the street.
Probably not, but
I guess it won't be as bad as it when it was out there before.
that key is not good for the ego. Because then you make the
Only way to get out of your house, man.
Oh, yeah. Like I said on
And I guess garbage trucks are gonna come tomorrow.
no, they won't come tomorrow. They're
Yeah,
not
just
gonna
some
come
stuff.
tomorrow. I doubt they will. There's not a lot in there anyway, because I had from last week we emptied it.
Yeah.
My mom doesn't have a lot of garbage anyway, so
I guess you guys have to do this at your house too regularly, right?
yeah, but actually I will thank my neighbors. I know my neighbors went out and did some checking for me.
Oh,
I
it
should do
was.
that before I leave here.
Well, Cindy didn't do it. Is that what she's there doing? Her athletic muscles, develop, you know.
Nah. So I'm gonna go make sure that the furnace, the vent from the furnace is cleared. People that own their homes, something they should know. When it
What?
snows like this and you cover that vent, then the CO doesn't expel out of your house. That's dangerous. So you always, when it's a heavy snow, you gotta make sure you clear the vents around your furnace.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Cool. All right.
All your friends that own homes.
There you go, people. Yeah, at some point later I'll go out there and I'll do some clearing too. You know, the sidewalk. Maybe tomorrow when it's the temperature rise up, I'm gonna see how much it melt. Dear God, suburban living but home ownership living, because Grace at my place does this all the time. My landlords, they do it all the time. Same thing. Hey, winter. They can't keep it. Did I tell you? Oh, I didn't finish this earlier. I was saying I'm gonna do everything I can to make sure I'm living in a warm place in this time of the year.